Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the concatenate function and the text. It is very useful functions. The combination of these two functions can be used in daily basis in your report and MIS. I have already explained how you can use concatenate function. If you have not watched that video, I will explain here again. Concatenate function is used to join two strings, or you can append one string using this function. If I have two cells in which some text is mentioned, I want to join this, so I can using the concatenate, like we can enter the text or string directly in the function in double quotation mark, and we can give the space using this double quotation mark, and we can give the space, and like this we can also give the reference of the cells, so whenever we change any value, the value or the result in the function always change. Okay friends, now we have to use sometimes the numbers or the dates or some other types of format in the string format. That time we use text function. Text function is used to convert a number into text according to the specified format. So we need to also learn what are the specified formats. I have taken these samples from the Google Sheet help. So these all are very useful actually. So I thought I should share with you also. This is a syntax for the text function. First we need to give the number which we want to convert in the text. Then we need to define the format. Maybe in our sales report we want to show the total sales for the year 2020 is, and we want to take the sales from another cell which is a result of a calculation. Here it is written and in proper format which we want to show. But when we use concatenate, let's see, concatenate, and I'll give the reference of this cell, then comma, then inverted commas, then double quotation space, double quotation comma, and if I give the reference of this one, so let me see how it will show to you. It is not displaying in the proper format. I want to convert this number into text without the dollar sign. So let me start using the text function. Press F2. I will remove this one and I will type text function. Now we need to give the reference, or we can type number directly over here. In this situation I will give the reference, then comma. Now I need to define the format. So our format would be start in double quotation mark, and it would be 0, comma, 1 2 3, because we want to show values in 1000 separators using the comma, then dot, 00, and double quotation mark, and close the parenthesis for text. Press enter. Now I hope you are getting the proper format. If you want to use the dollar sign in front of the number, so I can assign the dollar sign in front of the 0 as well. So press F2 again, come over here, put the dollar sign. Now we will take the next example in which I want to show the date of birth of Abhay here. So here I need to join 3 cells. So I will use concatenate function once again, concatenate, and I'll give the reference of this one, then comma, need to give the space, comma, then this one, and this time I will use text function directly. Press tab and give the reference of this date, and then comma for giving the format. I would like to type double quotation mark, then triple time M, which display the month, then give some space, then D 2 times, and then Y 4 times. Double quotation mark close, parenthesis close, and again parenthesis close for concatenate function. Press enter, and now you got the answer, but we need some space between this date. So I would like to mention the space over here, comma, and press enter. Now we are getting the proper information which we want. Hopefully guys, you understand the text function. In coming videos, I will take more examples of it. In the advanced section of for text functions, I will give some more examples, practical examples for this function. If you still have any query, please do comment. I'll try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. Thank you guys.